Alright, howdy everyone. I'm sorry if I'm late. I had some stuff to do. We are already in a trade, but don't be so happy because I already lost one this morning. So actually I can show you. We are in a pound dollar long. I didn't really had the time to update everything here, so sorry about my charts. My charts are a little bit off, and hopefully it's closing down half of it or 60% of the position soon. Yeah, it's closing it now, so this is already a profitable trade. Okay, so this morning I put on a position. I was in my car and I did a screenshot too. It was an awesome screenshot. Let me just, can I send this somehow? Hold on, I'm gonna send this one somehow. I know I can send it with, I can send it to myself maybe and then show it to you. I'm gonna try to send it to myself and show to you what happened. What happened in the morning. So I was in my car and I don't know what the hell is going on with my computer. And so I couldn't resist the temptation, so I put on a trade. Can I download this? I think I can. Yeah, so what happened is I've put on this trade this morning, which was this one. So there was a structure break for the upside. I thought that we're gonna have a retracement, and it was on euro dollar. Sorry, it was on euro dollar, and I'm gonna show you exactly which one was it, because I know it's here somewhere. Until we are waiting for this trade to evolve. So I already had a loss, and I have to log everything. And it was on the 1 minute, I think. Yeah, it was on the 1 minute chart. And it was at 10:33, so that's around 11:33. Yeah, I think I entered here. So so that's what I wanted to do originally. I wanted to enter here. I was sitting in my car and I thought, okay, this one's gonna turn around. You know, there was some liquidity sweep here, and then I thought it's gonna go up there and take some liquidity at this point, right? So I entered the long, but only because I was in the car and I don't really like to trade from my mobile. It was around the half size position, so 0.5%. It was a little bit more actually, but anyway, I'm gonna log it as -1%, don't worry. So I lost this one. Slowly but steadily it went against me, and that's how it ended. So that was in the London morning. I shouldn't have traded from my car. I don't know. But right now we already closed a pound dollar long, which is in some way brought back some of our losses. And so I hope that it will be fine. Otherwise, I don't really see anything trying to look at gold. Gold is going down. I told you. See? Yesterday I was telling about this. That's it. Nothing to do on gold. Nothing to do on gold. Although let me just check something real quick. Because this was the final defense, if I may say so. So yeah, the final defense, if it counts anything, there was no real entry point. So in terms of, for example, silver bullet, we're still waiting for some information. Euro dollar, for now, I don't know. It took out some liquidity, I think. Yeah, it just took it out. Yeah, it just took this one out. Oh my god, this should have been a beautiful trade. And I messed it. I messed it up quite good. Let me put the midnight open range right here. Yesterday's low right there. Yeah, so I went into this trade because I thought that... Anyway, who cares? Who cares? Because I thought because it took out yesterday's low, then maybe it's going to turn. But right now, it already took out a low. So I'm really hoping for this one to turn around. Until then, let's log this trade to the books, shall we? Okay, so that's... When did this happen? When did this happen? This was around here. I'm gonna put like 4:15. 4:15. London. Euro. Buy. Classic FVG. Stop loss 1 minute. No. I'm gonna add my mobile chart later on for this one. Actually, I think I can. Actually, I think I can. Yeah, there. This way, I'm gonna remember that I took this trade on my phone. And the second trade, which most likely is gonna turn, it's gonna turn against us at this point. Nevertheless, at least we're gonna get out with a break even with the second portion of the trade. Yeah. Let's just wait and see. All right. This was 9:30, 9:13. Yeah, took us out. All right. Okay. All right. So 9:13. Hold on. 9:13. New York. Pound dollar buy position FVG. It was just a TP1 on the 1 minute. It was a successful trade, and let's just make a screenshot from this one. And I'm just gonna I'm gonna yeah, that's it. I thought, and that's my only explanation, that let me just show you if I can, that this was here, maybe it was enough for a structure break because we did have liquidity sweep. So I wanted this one to turn around. It kind of did. Not a perfect entry, but it worked out okay, I guess. Okay, hold on. Hold on to your horses. Save this. All right. I'm taking too many trades, I know. All right. Chart has been added. We're still over 10%, so I'm absolutely satisfied. I have absolutely no problem with this. We're still cool. And the account is still over 2%. This FTMO challenge account is still over 2%. So market just opens, so I'm definitely going to wait for some side. I'm gonna put this trade back on. Let me just delete it correctly. I am going to wait maybe for the 5-minute to show something. Gold is gonna do nothing for us today. Let me update the S&P. I'm waiting for S&P to go back to mid threshold on that 1 hour candle. See what it does. Yeah, it made quite a move yesterday and it turned back quite nicely. I have already set up an alert for this one. So I guess we'll see. The 30-minute looks okay. I'm only taking rarely any trade on S&P 500, but I'm telling you, if this one goes to the optimal trade entry, which is for me around equilibrium, I am definitely looking to take a trade on this one. Let me see. I'm gonna delete this alert because I'm gonna put on a new one on MetaTrader. I want to see trading alert here. Let's modify this to news. Okay, that's fine. So I'm going to wait for this one to turn around and we're going to consider entering there. Actually, I'm going to set my position size calculator intact. Just in case. And we are going to risk a little bit less than 1%. So this is a possible trade entry based on the 30-minute, but I mean, it's just so nice. I know it's on the higher time frame. We rarely get an opportunity like this, so why not take it? Still looks good on the 15-minute. Clear structure break. Took out liquidity. Actually, I'm tempted to jump into this one. I'm real tempted to jump into this one. I am, pretty much. So I even lowered my entry point right there. Let's see, 900. So we're looking for this area right here. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That's what we're looking for as a target. As a target. Almost got filled, by the way, just saying. Almost getting filled on the 30-minute. Come on, baby. One push. On the other hand, nothing is going on. Dollar index. Oh, I did not look at the dollar index. There, we got filled. Alright, we got filled on this trade, so it's all or nothing, right? Okay, we need, I'm gonna need some extra charts to manage this trade. I'm gonna have to make it clean. Alright, so let's see. Okay. Those 50 lots. 50.60. 50.68. I'm gonna close 50.68. All right. Okay. So now we have set up everything correctly. We are in a short on S&P. We'll see how it goes. It can go all the way up, I know, easily. So I'm not having high hopes or anything like that. But this trade is based on the 30-minute chart, so yeah, we'll see. Anyway, we're sort of break even for today because this was only well, half percent position, and with this one we gained back some of that loss, so it's fine. Otherwise I don't really see anything, and I think this morning the whole London session, I think it was a little bit crazy. I think. Let me set up these. Took out yesterday's low. took out yesterday's low. This one was very nice, but it would have been almost impossible to enter for this one. Yeah, for me there was no retracement. Well, maybe this. Yeah, maybe this one. Maybe this one. Maybe this could have been a possible entry. Retracing back here. 6 point. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry. It could have been at least a 1-to-1 trade. Liquidity run, or I don't know what to call them. I call them liquidity runs. Because it was pretty obvious at that point. Like, when you look to the left and you have to check every significant lows, then that's a higher probability trade, right? So yeah. So we missed that. But if I'm looking on the positive note, then, well, I would be at break even anyways, because I would be here sitting at my computer. I would have taken that earlier trade with a full 1% position. So nothing really changed. Maybe I would be up around 0.5% or something. So it's completely fine. It's completely fine. Oh, dollar index. Yeah, let's do dollar index, because I have no idea what the heck is going on with dollar index today. I need to know what's going on with the dollar. So this was New York midnight open. This was yesterday New York open. And this is the 1-hour chart. Took out this liquidity right here. Fair value gap right there. Oh my god, I need to rearrange these things. There. So dollar index took out liquidity, which is good, I think. I don't know. Almost started to reverse, but it didn't. It started to go higher. Dollar is getting stronger. What the heck is going on with? Oh, I have to update the stats. Oh my god. Day profit. We had one winner, one loss, and 10.45 for the month. 10.45 for the month. That's better. Okay. All right. It's fine. Don't worry. It will be okay. I need my son. Really? Okay. hotkey. I'm removing some hotkey from the soundboard because I don't want them to mess with my trades. Okay, alright. Gold, look at gold. I have to delete some stuff here to be much more clear. Gold is interesting, wow. Next point of liquidity. It's not far actually. Didn't really retrace to anywhere. It can go down like a small fair value gap here. I don't know. Today, this was midnight open. I want to see how far it went. Yeah, it went quite far. It can still go down easily. I don't know. Not a fan of gold yet, but my analysis was indeed correct. So yesterday I was telling about this, that this area will be taken out. And it was, or it has been taken out. I would be very glad to see S&P melt down. I would be really glad to see this one melt all the way down. Still has quite a range to cover, so why not? Right? Right. Where's the mid threshold? Mid threshold is somewhere here. We still have lots of space to go there, at least to take 1-to-1 TP. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm really looking forward to that. In the meantime, let's check out what the heck has happened today. Nothing. Nothing serious has happened. Okay. Drop a like if you can. I would be very happy, really. Okay. So we're just waiting. By the way, I also started a challenge account at my funded FX because, let's be honest, let's be real, TFT is just crap. Okay, we're back. I'm hungry, by the way. Just saying. Need to eat something. I need to eat something. Didn't really eat anything today. Okay, these are not really doing anything. Gold is... wow. It's dropping, I guess. Or at least doing something like that. Like it wants to drop. Well, the euro, where's the next liquidity? Next sell side liquidity is 0712. That's too far down. I don't think it will go there in this session. My final target on pound is there, but I'd like to see some intraday retracement. Okay, all right. We're waiting. It's the waiting game, folks. Can't really do anything much. Anything else? Wish I could. But trading is boring. That's what it's all about. S&P is still not giving in that easy. But at least we had our, well, except this loss, we're around break even, but this morning trade on my mobile is another example. Do not trade on mobile. Oh damn. I don't. No problem. It's completely fine. So, as for gold, it can go down, but hard to tell. Hard to tell at this point. And I rarely take a trade on S&P on this or any kind of MetaTrader broker. Do we have any other news coming out? I don't think so, right? Check it out. Canadian news. That's not really interesting. Oh yeah, we have existing home sales in 30 seconds. Wow. That would be interesting. So let's hop into S&P. This would be interesting to see. Existing home sales in 15 seconds. That's like medium impact, it says. So we're expecting less home sales. One, and here we go. We don't know the numbers yet. Have to wait. Yeah. Well, as forecasted, home sales are dropping. And there's going to be an FOMC member speaking. That's interesting. Oh my god. So if new home sales are dropping, then most likely S&P could drop as well, right? At least that's what I would think so. So go on and oh yeah, let's see. Yeah, just as forecasted. Well, so far not the best news for the US economy. But you know. What is going on?
You know, usually
I'm just checking down below. He's a cool guy. Did the gold sell? Wow. Exit at break even. He should have stayed in the trade. All right. What else is going on YouTube? Let's check it out. Let's check out what's going on good old YouTube. Alright, nothing extra. Anyway, we're still waiting for this. Go down a little bit. I wouldn't say if my entry was based on the 15, could have been on a 15 or a 30 minute as well. But I rarely take S&P trades on any MT4 broker. Otherwise, yeah, today is almost at break even, but fortunately I only took a 0.5% position in the morning, in the London morning. Otherwise we're cool. Nothing is happening in well, maybe liquidity run is happening, but it already happened. I mean, the pound doesn't have anywhere to go from here. At least not how much. Yeah, not in the AM session. I think so. No news. I'm not sure. There's an FOMC member speaking. I don't know. I don't think they're gonna say anything. Euro dollar already made a low. The next sell side is quite far away. It's not gonna go there. I think so. Not in this session. So I would be waiting for a turning point. This could have been a turning point, but my problem is that the fair value gap is way below here. I don't like this kind of turning points. And yeah. Gold is could be going for this liquidity run. But I already missed my silver bullet on gold, which was here. This trade was the silver bullet right there. Perfect short to take out liquidity. There's a level here. I don't know where, somewhere here. This would have been a very good one-to-one, at least a one-to-one. So I always make sure to have at least, in worst case scenario, even in silver bullet or anything else, I need to have at least a one-to-one trade setup. That's like crucial. But otherwise I go for 1 to 2 if someone's new here or someone's watching. Anyway, anyway, that's what I always say. That's my catchphrase. Anyway, nothing serious is happening, and to be honest, I'm also going to consider closing out S&P. It's going to play around in these levels for too much. I mean, it went down to around $300 profit, then it turned against us again. I don't know what it wants to do. I guess we have to wait. Is this a Judah swing or something? It could be. But on the higher time frame, it could be a structure shift, especially on the 30-minute and on the 15-minute. So, yeah. Who knows, right? Who knows? I have to wait. Oh, sorry, I'm just a little bit tired. That's all. Just a little bit tired. I'm going to stream for maximum 40 minutes or so. And whatever happens to this trade, I'm just going to close the stream and update you guys later on if someone's interested how it went down. Yeah, gold is interesting. Gold is playing mind games today, I think. And this is also interesting. Like, there's always a question like, what if we see opposing signals, right? It can happen easily. Like, for example, now. Because... Okay, so if this candle closes right here, that's already a structure break. And then we have to cut this trade, I think. I think we just have to cut this one. Depending on the next candle as well. If the next candle is going to go down and reprice this, then we're still in. But if it's going to leave a fair value gap here with this, I'm almost pretty sure that it can go for the buy side again. It took out sell side, so if we cut the loss, then maybe we should be okay. But otherwise, oh, I'm sorry. On the 30 minute and on the 1 hour, it was looking good for a structure break to retest sell side. Okay, so I need this candle to go down and in the next 4 minutes close this gap. If it's not going to go down, then most likely I have to cut the trade. So I need to see this candle go down. It's not gonna go down. Damn it. Which is still fine, because that's gonna be our last trade after that. I'm willing to risk that S&P is gonna make a new high after that. What happened? What just happened? What the... Oh, I know what happened. Alright, I know what happened. Okay. That was my mistake, actually. The expert advisor closed the trade. Alright. That's fine. It's just fine. Alright. We're cool. And now I just have to update my settings. Oh yeah. Okay. There. That should be enough. Where was my TP? Alright, this should be okay. This should be okay. Okay, moment of truth. Now, this is a difficult scenario because there's really a lot of decision here that we have to make. I have to make. Which is more obvious? Buy side is more obvious, right? That's what I thought. That's what I thought so. Yeah. So, unfortunately, I do think so that I might just have to go in and take the opposite side of this one. I don't know. Still hesitating. Still hesitating. Yeah. We might gonna have to take the buy side here. Or not. This should be interesting. I guess we have to cut this one. Let's just see a little bit closer. Yeah, 30 minutes is not looking good. 15 minutes is not looking good. So let's wait. Let's wait. I'm really tempted to cut this one, and then we can call it a day. Yeah. All right, we're cutting it. That's it. Okay. So overall, we had almost 800. So we have a -1% day today, and this is going to count as one loss. The S&P trade was looking real good, actually. I'm not looking to add more. But yeah, it is what it is. We went down to 9.45. And we had 2 losses today, and this is it. This is it for me, guys. Actually, I mean, it could have been much worse, you know. Let me just how to add this one, because it has been split to 2 portions. Yeah, this will do. I'm just gonna make a screenshot here. And this was made at 9:39. S&P 500, 9:39. New York. S&P 500. That should have been a sell. Stop loss. It was based on the... Let's put 30 minutes. No. There. Okay. Down to a little bit over 9%. It is what it is, but it's logged. Crazy days. Okay, that's it for me. Thank you very much for watching, and see you guys tomorrow on London session. Yeah, I'm gonna be streaming. So cheers, peace up. Like the video, please. Thank you. And subscribe, of course. Cheers.